What is it, Max?
That other whistling, that song. Do that one. Oh. You're a beautiful bird.
He's only 8 months, but he says some of the stuff. What he says. He's a good boy, Max. I'm filming this off an iPad, that's why I'm holding it with one hand. It's pretty heavy.